Hello to all. So ఈ వీడియోలో మనం circular time shift property of DFT చూద్దాము. So the statement states that if DFT of x of n is equal to x of k, then if it is shifted DFT of x of n minus n naught. So I'm representing it as n because it's called circular shift, right? So DFT of x of n minus n naught, that is circular shift, is equal to x of k e power minus j 2 pi by n multiplying with k n naught. Okay, we have to prove this. So for that, as we need to prove DFT of something, x of n minus n naught for circular shifting property, so we will take initially like IDFT. We will take IDFT, that is x of n equal to, so we know the formula of IDFT, x of n is equal to 1 by n summation of k equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of k e power j 2 pi by n kn, alright, where n is between 0 and n minus 1. So we have to put n equal to, or n as n minus n naught in the above equation. So we will get x of n minus n naught equal to, so ఇక్కడ x n ఒకటే ఉంది కాబట్టి అక్కడ చేంజ్ చేస్తే అయిపోతుంది, that will be a 1 by n summation of k equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of k e power j 2 pi by n k n minus n naught. All right, so this we can write this as 1 by n summation of k equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of k e power j 2 pi by n kn into e power minus j 2 pi by n k n naught. Okay, n naught. సో మన ప్రీవియస్ లో పీరియాడిక్ లో ఏం చెప్పామంటే ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ n ఉంది, సో n ఉంటే we actually cancelled it and made it 1, and we have shown it as equal. Okay, so this is not in this case. So we know that this value, just look at this particular value. ఇక్కడ ఈ వాల్యూ ఏంటంటే జస్ట్ ఇట్స్ ఏ కాన్స్టాంట్. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ ఏ కాన్స్టాంట్. సో దానికి సమ్మేషన్ అనేది it can't apply for that. So we will get this as, so this entire value is equal to x of n into e power minus j 2 pi by n k n naught. Okay, so x of n minus n naught is equal to x of n into e power minus j 2 pi by n k n naught. So దీనికి ఏం చేస్తారంటే like apply DFT to this. Okay, so DFT apply చేస్తే we'll get x of n minus n naught is equal to, so దీన్ని కూడా అప్లై చేద్దాం, like both LHS and RHS put DFT. Okay, do DFT. So DFT of x of n, DFT of x of n e power minus j 2 pi by n k n naught. Okay, so ఇక్కడ రాస్తున్నా. So what I get is, so DFT of x of n minus n naught is equal to, we can write this as x of k, right? I mean this one is called x of k. So DFT of x of n minus n naught with circular convolution, I mean circular shift, is equal to x of k into e power minus j 2 pi by n k n naught. Okay.